Hi, grade one. So we are doing a recap of our data or statistics that we've done already in school, and then we will be moving on to it being a bit trickier on Tuesday. So today we're going to look at making scaled pictograms. So some of you might remember all of this and you'll be able to do the activities really easily, but some of you might just need a quick recap because it is quite a long time ago since we've done it. So let's have a look at making scaled pictograms. So, first of all, what is a pictogram? So, a pictogram is like a bar chart where we are going to slot in the pictures to help us count what the people have been looking at. So, we're looking at the favorite color here of, we'll say, the children in the classroom. So, we've got the colors are along the bottom. So, we have red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. And we use a picture of those colors put in there so we know how many are there in that part. So here is a pictogram showing children's favorite colors. Each circle represents one child's choice. So that's the important part. You need to know how many is how, so if that each circle, how much that represents. So I can see along this side, this is called the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So along the x-axis is the favorite color and along the y-axis is how many children like that color. So straight away we can see by looking at the numbers here, I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children have picked the color red. That is their favorite color. So as we're going along, you can pause the video and you can answer the questions yourself. So how many children like the color blue? So again, go to the blue color, you can count up, or it's easier if you go to the blue color and then you can just look straight across and see the number there. So as you can see, 7 children like the color blue. Again, you can pause as we're going along. And then the color green, we have 5 children who like the color green. And then we have lots of children who like the color yellow, it's 9. And then the pink color is 6 children like that. Now, if you're looking at the pictogram, can you answer the question for me? What is the most popular color? So which color do the children prefer, or what's the favorite color out of all of these? So how would you find that out? Of course, you'd have to look for the one that has the most amount filled. And as you can see by looking at yellow, it has 9 children, which is the most. So yellow is the favorite color or is the most popular color. Now, what color might be the least favorite? Very good. It's the green color. Excellent. So here we have the favorite colors again, and here's the same pictogram with one circle representing 2 children's choices. So the pictogram that we looked at before had one circle was representing one child. Now we have one circle representing 2. So can you think of why the circle is in half? If there is an odd number, which is 1, we use half a circle to mean one child. So in that case, I can say that I can count up in twos for the red, and I can say 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 children who prefer the red. Now let's have a look at blue. I know that that represents 2 children. This also represents 2 children, so 2 plus 2 is 4. And this is half the circle, so that is 5. And as you can see, if you wanted, you could go across here to the number. You can see that represented it is 5. So 5 children like blue, 5 children like the green. Again, you'll have to work out the yellow, so you can do it as you can see the number, or you can count up in 2, 4, 6, 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9 children like yellow, and very good, 6 children like pink. So again, which color is the most popular color? Well done, it's yellow. And which colors have the same amount of children? Perfect, it's green and blue. Well done. So make sure you're answering questions or you're asking questions as you're going along for pictograms. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So here's the same pictogram with the number scale changed to only show even numbers. So it's counting up in twos. So it's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, just because some of the numbers are missing, we don't let that put you off, because you can see that as this is 2, this represents 2 children. It's very easy because you can see that represents the 2 children, so we know it's 2. Now again, let's count up in our twos, and we can see 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's 8 children that like the red, but that's their favorite color. Again, you can count up in 2, 4, and we know it's one more, so it is 5. Okay, so here are the the children in the class and their class pets. So we have a dog, a cat, a fish, a rabbit, and a hamster. So each picture represents one pet. So I'm going to ask some questions, and you can pause before I say the answer. So how many children have a dog? How many children have a dog? Excellent. It is 6 children. So if you want to be sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. Very good. What about a cat? How many children have a cat at home? Perfect. It is 9 children who have the cat at home. Now, a fish. How many children have a fish at home? Again, using the scale, we can see it is 3. Well done. Then we're going to look at the rabbit. How many children have a rabbit at home? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. We know it's 7. And then the hamster. How many children have a hamster at home? Well done. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 children again. Very good. Now, if I was to ask, again, here is the same pictogram, and it is with one picture representing 2 pets. So for odd numbers, we can use half a picture to mean one pet again. So we know that the dog is 2, 4, 6, because we're counting up in twos this time. And the same with the cat, 2, 4, 6, 8, and one more to represent 9. So that is just showing it in a different way of how we can use the scale. Some questions that I'd like to ask, and you can pause the video so that you can answer it afterwards. Which pet is the most popular? Which pet is the most popular? Very good. The cat is the most popular pet. Which pet is the least popular? Which pet is the least popular? So which pet is there the fewest of? Excellent, it's a fish. Now, my next question is, how many more children have a dog at home than a hamster? How many more children have a dog at home than a hamster? So to figure that out, we need to see how many hamsters there are and how many dogs there are, and then you're going to have to take them away from each other. So I can see I have got 2, 4, 6 dogs and 2, 4 hamsters. So there's 6 dogs, 4 hamsters. So there are 2 more dogs than hamsters in the children's homes. Okay, so again, here is the same pictogram with the number scale changed to only show the even numbers. So it's counting up in twos, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so the activity for today is going to be 3 worksheets, and I will put them up underneath this so you'll be able to have a look at them as well. Again, we've done these before, so it's just a quick recap so we can move on to some trickier ones. Best of luck. Bye.